how to change the context length or the context limit of any model in Ollama. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this quick and simple tutorial, I'm going to guide you how you can easily change the context limit or the context length of your native or local models in Ollama. So for that, simply follow these easy steps. First of all, you will need to open or launch your Ollama application. The desktop application, once launched, can now use preset to trigger the limits. Now, once the desktop application launches, click onto the settings option, and within settings, you can see the context length. So the context length determines how much of your conversation local LLMs can remember and use to generate responses. It can be set from all the way from 4,000 all the way to 256,000. And once you are done sliding this, you are all set. So that was all for this particular tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.